Hello everyone, today I am going to do inspection in the cam bearing temperature sensors. On board ship we will mostly find PT100 as a temperature sensors. Rarely we will find a thermocouple. Mostly I will see that we can see the thermocouple in incinerator exhaust, flue gas exhaust temperature sensor will mostly it will be a thermocouple. But so I want to share the information with you. Here you can find these cam bearing temperature sensors are thermocouples. So here you can find TC means thermocouple, and it was a K type thermocouple. So what is the difference? In thermocouple the output will be a millivolt, we will get a output as a voltage, but PT100 we will get a output as a resistance. And how this sensor is producing the voltage, thermocouple, it was made up of two different metals. Each metal have a specific properties, due to heat the electrons in the metal, the movement of electrons in the metal will be different. So one will move faster, like one will produce more electrons comparing to other, so for depend upon the temperature, so that we will get output as a millivolt. So I will show the cam bearing temperature sensors. So it is given to the 5 and 6. From 5 and 6 it is given to our display unit. In the display unit we will get we can see the reading of that temperature, and this temperature is also transmitting to our AMS, alarm and monitoring system, through 4 to 20 milliamps. So these will be given to this E103 box. This box I will try to I will show you where it is located. So first we will go to this E200S near the cam bearing, and I will measure the voltages of this thermocouple, and so it will be only in a millivolt. So for thermocouple, if you want to check the thermocouples is working or not, we need to measure the voltage. For a PT100 we need to measure the resistance. PT100 it will give a 100 ohm resistance for a 0 degree Celsius. This is for PT100. Okay, let's go. See, here you can find totally we have 448 thermocouples. Okay, let's go. So now we are at E200S. Here we have a cam bearing temperature sensor display unit. So totally we have a 4 cam bearing temperature sensor on starboard side, and port side we have we have 8. So totally 3 in this side and 1 will be here, and same like that in port side also you will have other 4 sensors, and it will be port side we have a different connecting box like E200P, and starboard side E200S. So these sensors are coming from that cam bearing to the metal sheet to this E200S box. From here E200 it will be transmitted to E140 box. From there it will be transmitted to AMS. So in 1 and 2 we will get a DC 24 volt. This is the input to our display panel, and 3 and 4 the sensors are connected, so we can measure the output of the thermocouple. So 5 and 6, that is usually a closed contact. So these are connected to the AMS panel. So in this monitoring unit, the 1 and 2 we will get a DC 24 volts, and 3 and 4 will be the normally closed contacts, and 5 and 6 we will get a output of the thermocouple, that is here you can measure the millivolts. So now I am measuring the DC input voltage. You can find around 25 volt. Select the multimeter to millivolt, and we will measure in 5 and 6 terminal. So we will measure it here. See, thermocouple, we will get around 0.3 millivolt. So 0.3 millivolt will be corresponding to the temperature of around 45 degrees Celsius. So I am measuring the voltage of other thermocouple. It was around 0.2. So what will be the temperature of this 0.2? It is around 44 degrees Celsius. Okay, thank you all.